chukpele, yeah? Sorry, yeah? Buy you sweet, yeah? I buy you chingum, yeah? I buy you many things, yeah? Okay, but let me tell you something first. You see, there's one place that they used to call Alabama. It's in the United States of the America. You understand me, dear? In that place, there's now one father and one mommy. That now the mommy now come and have belly. The mommy now come and go to the hospital. When the mommy now come and go to the hospital, the mommy now come and born a baby. When the mommy now born the baby did now not come and have nose. Truth.
Nose.
Not have nose.
Where can't they breathe from him?
I didn't know how they born the baby. Maybe they will put the picture, you see.
So Pikin just did not get nose.
The baby did not have nose.
Oh, wow.
You see the baby? No nose. I didn't know how the baby you want to breathe.
Maybe not from ear they breathe now.
Or maybe inside in the mouth.
Or from bum or from mouth.
But some many things there. Waiting be the explanation you won't give this one now.
It's a scientific something. They will find it out. Not just scientific elu-melu.
Different things just they happen. All manner of things.
Yeah, but in a defect, not be say just defect somewhere. You understand? A childbirth defect. Now it's very important. Say any woman who get belly like this, they take very careful. Careful of the things that way they take during pregnancy.
Yes.
Plus medicine, plus food, everything.
Be careful because any misdo like this, if you affect the life of your child forever.
Exactly. Okay. For inside Obodo UK.
It's called United Kingdom.
Okay, United Kingdom. You know, say they get what they call swingers party.
Let me tell you people the meaning.
Give them.
If they say if they say swinger party, when I check in the dictionary, swinger party is a husband and wife or boyfriend and girlfriend. They will now go to party where there are many other boyfriend and girlfriend. They will now be exchanging their boyfriend and girlfriend and be doing the thing that the mommy and daddy say don't do. They will be exchanging each other, everybody in one place. It's not a good thing.
Some people go say a higher level of enjoyment.
Don't enjoy
where
like
you
that.
will share your wife or your girlfriend with somebody else. Just stay. They look, maybe they touchlight your wife or your girlfriend.
Everybody, you
some
remove it
people, they find them as joy.
You remove it here, you put it there, you remove it here. Disease.
People they share HIV like that.
Don't do.
They share different disease like that. But now, so one Nigerian man go try and for UK.
Lobaton.
He can't die inside.
Lobaton. You see it?
Try. Say, forget that thing.
You see it?
Forget that thing. Me, I be champion. Their daddy. Boko.
Now he die.
He just die.
You see it?
He just died for the swingers party.
You see it?
You understand? So it ain't just he reached to talk, say, if you know say, you know get, which advice I want to give you?
Not be matter of advice. Stay away from these kind of things then. Stay away from these kind of things then. Pion. You know, see the Nigerian woman.
Na Nigerian woman, I be the Nigerian man.
Nigerian woman. Now woman.
Okay.
Stay away from these kind of things then. What it be your problem? Then you see, make I tell you something. The way where our body take design, now it gets number of something where person go fit take put inside in body. Oh.
And that Oyibo man, na lure the girl into the whole thing. Our Naija babe will not be your way. You understand?
I beg. Some kind of things no be our culture. Some kind of things no be our culture. No, they try yourself. We be Nigerians. We get culture. We get moral. We take God name beg you.
You know we say no, you happen in this country.
My brother, what are you telling me? It's everywhere, all over the place.
Or university.
But I beg, respect yourself. Please. This is your body. Take care of them. That is all.
It's a temple.
It's a temple.
Your body not temple.
It's your temple.
Your body not a place where it's over cheap.
It was cheap.
Exactly.
Because if you now inside this body. If you sick, now inside this body. So the choice is what? Yours.
Well, we don't talk about what we talk about.
Laugh the laugh.
Laugh the laugh. Oh, yeah.
This Monday we no just get sense.
We go for laugh the laugh.
Let's go for laugh the laugh, please. We'll be right.
They come.
Laugh the laugh. This boy no well.
The
guy na Yoruba guy.
I swear.
I swear down. This guy na Yoruba guy.
Now it's
no be Chinese guy anything. It's na hey.
Next year for your hair, Mugbe.
But you know, say plenty people dey like that. If you go on top internet, you go see pictures of very lovely looking women. Beautiful women. Not even say them do over makeup. Beautiful, subtle makeup, lovely looking women. 90% of them. Na man.
They call them she-males now.
90% of them na man. I beg. You see your Angela. You see your Indufreke. You see your Ekaite. You see your Mayowa. You see your Anna. You see your Rose, your Bumi, your Ngozi, your Nkechi, your Amanda, your Aisha. Stay there.
But you say they would always talk one thing, say...
Stay there, oh.
But Mayowa, wait. How would take no now if... You say we always talk to make... We know they do touch lighting things, you understand? Especially when I never married. But one person will take no. Say, this one I get now, you know they hide things.
Now because na pion. If you stay for one place, within the place, people where you dey used to, you know if you just travel now, say you dey go Hong Kong. You dey Hong Kong only 1 week, 2 weeks. One get scatter your dada, you just bring her come from Hong Kong, you won't marry. You know if you do that kind of thing now. So, you go don't know the environment, the vicinity.
So what in other words, you talk say make person test the market first?
No, in other words, I they say pick from where you dey used to. No be till you test the market, Ogbolo. No be till you test the market.
But for years, people dey now we go be she-males too.
Ogbolo. If you dey among places where you dey used to, pion, you go hear and you go enter your ear, you go know.
Okay.
That consunko, you want to justify impekom. Let's take picture, Jare. Impekom. Picture.
Picture.
Oh, which kind of small face be this? Oh, wow. Ha. I don't even know what I want to talk on top this thing. I know. That cat. I don't even know what I want to talk on top this. Oh, I am now an airplane. Oh, very innovative cat. You will die. You will just die.
Remind me of one of my cousins who sabi throw animals from one-story building. You go say they want to turn them to superhero. I so take kid their dog.
This has to be painting. This is not painting. It cannot be real.
This guy was saying, Mayo, I want to kiss you.
Wow. Now gay.
Now
you, she want kiss. You know, say this lady, I've been read about her. She get beer. She get beer normally. She always shave them. They feel inferior. And one day she say, now she don't enjoy her beer. She don't even shave anything again. She go live her like that. And so God created her. She go carry her baby everywhere. So that's a woman with a beer.
So she's a she-male too?
No, she be woman. She just gets the deformity of beer.
Okay.
Yes, she be full woman. What's be this?
Dog
which kind of malnutrition dog be this?
The dog, the lounge.
This dog go grow from Mushin. This dog. You don't do, we don't want again. I bet more na do quick. Easter Monday, we won't go rest.
I get waka plenty.
We won't go rest.
We love all of you now. I will not say as it be like this now. None of us don't top this show for today. The best thing I'll fit up is say throughout from Friday, go Sunday, go Monday. Now we Bros J don't raise. You understand? Most importantly, understand so your life don't go on that level. You understand? So make it be say me you sit down like we talk on Friday, reflect. Sit back, make you look your own life. Reason for some kind of things by yourself. Say, okay, waiting this Bros J do that year. Now I carry reach where you did like this. So just think of the whole thing and reflect. I'm not going to tell you what to go do. But it's based for everyone to go think for himself.
Yes.
Understand?
And then you get something when I want to talk. I take God name beg you for everybody where they watch us, our fans, our people where they watch us, everybody, you need to forgive my guy. Now, I go just tell you the truth. All through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the guy they hustle. Now, young man where they hustle. I know sure saying don't get up to 3 hours of sleep. I know sure. I feel tell you that one wholeheartedly. So you go need to forgive him because they now because in God's work. Now because in God's work, now make and day here. Body not be firewood. So follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. We did there for you live and direct. Your guy Ogbolo and Mayowa. Follow us for Instagram at Funny Ogbolo at Mayowa Lambe. We did there for you. Kajadli. Thank you so much for watching PADI today. I need to go take care of my nigga. I'ma talk to you later. Bye. Mwah.